guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Guys, today I'm talking about a wig that dropped last year. We can still talk about the wigs that dropped last year. We don't have to always talk about the new. I think the old ones get slept on. But the wig I'm talking about for y'all today is the Janet Collection Melt Deja wig. This wig was sent over by Janet Collection, so thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel about this wig, but go ahead and get her before she sell out. Well, she ain't sell out yet. I don't know why she ain't sell out, but she's cute. I did have to customize it a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all how I put it on, then wrap it up with my final thoughts. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button if you like content like this, and let's go ahead and jump into it.
Moment of honesty, someone's gotta take the lead tonight. Who's it gonna be? I'm gonna sit right here and tell you all that comes to me. And if you have something to say, you should say it right now. You should say it right now. You ready? You give me a feeling that I've never felt before. And I deserve it, I think I deserve it. It's becoming something that's impossible to ignore. You should say it right now. This is exactly how it should feel when it's meant to be. Time is only wasting, so I'll wait for eventually. If we gon' do something about it, we should do it right now. Hey, you give me a feeling that I've never felt before. And I deserve it, and I deserve it. It's becoming something that's impossible to ignore. Would it make us look crazy? If you ask me, I'm ready. Moment of honesty, someone's gotta take the lead tonight. Who's it gonna be? I'm gonna sit right here and tell you all that comes to me.
Alright guys, so I'm done putting on this wig. She is cute. You cannot tell me that this wig is not cute. This wig was sent over by Janet Collection. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. This is the Janet Collection Melt wig, and I have the style Deja, and I have the color M Balayage 30. So this wig came out last year, and she's a banger, y'all. This is from, like I said, the Janet Collection Melt collection, but this is a lace frontal. So what that means is you're gonna get 13x6 lace frontal. You can part this wig any way you like. Y'all know I like my side part, so I went ahead and put it on the side. But you could part it here, you could part it in the middle, you could part it on the side, you could put it up, you could do whatever you wanted to with this wig.
2 hours later.
I ain't gonna do too much because I'll tell you about that in 2 seconds. The way you manipulate this wig, you kind of need to leave it alone. But she's cute though. She is cute. So you get a transparent lace with this wig. I love Janet Collection's melt wigs, hands down. Every time I see a Janet Collection melt wig, I know it's gonna be a banger. I did not go in with any tint spray on this wig, and she is melted to perfection. So I just went ahead with my bedhead spray at the top just to kind of melt it in. I like that effect, but I feel like you could get away with this wig without melting it. The cap feels good to me. My hair is flat, keep that in mind. I wear cornrows going down, so it feels pretty comfortable to me, and I suffer with headache issues, and the wig still feels comfortable to me. Initially, when I first put this wig on, it does come with that adjustable band, so I wasn't trying to mess with the adjustable band, but then I put it on again after I cut the lace, and I put it to the first band, which I do like. You can adjust the band like to secure it, and she still feels good, y'all. She still feels good. I got trust issues, so I didn't know if I wanted to use the band, but I think you can get away with melting right here, putting some bobby pins, and being done. I did go in with just a little bit of baby hairs because I feel like with these curly wigs, I do like this effect of having baby hairs. I think it adds a little bit more pizzazz to the wig, so I really do like that look. The hairline looks good. I did not go in and pluck this wig at all, but the hairline looks good. The knots are really thin. It's not too dark. It's not too, like, it just looks really, really good. I did have to cut the side a little bit on this wig because I feel like the way the wig comes down, it's a little bit too long, so you could cut it. So I like the fact that even though if it's too big, you can cut it. It's better than being too small because you can't cut a small wig, but you can cut one that's too big. So I did have to cut it a little bit on the side. I did also go in with a little bit of synthetic wig spray and some serum and some water. When you start moving these curls around, it's gonna get a little frizzy, but I feel like it adds more life to the wig. It makes it look a little bit more natural, and this looks like my hair, and I like it. I normally don't like short wigs, but this wig is super cute. I did review Janet Collection D, and with that wig, if you guys did get that wig, you do move those curls around and they start getting a little, you know, worn and frayed a little bit easier. That's kind of what I was getting with this one. Like, again, I feel like it adds a little bit more life to the wig, so it's beautiful. I did have to go off camera and add a little bit more water to kind of frame the curls back a little bit, but yeah, she's a banger, y'all. She looks good. You get a lot of nice other pretty colors in here. So if you don't like this color, there are a lot of nice other colors. But this wig is hidden, y'all. It's kind of reminding me of Sensational's, I think it was Rona or Rena, or I don't know. Put it right. I'll put it right here. But it's giving me that feel. If you like that kind of wig, if you like the short pixie wig, this is the winner. The warm weather is about to come out. Either way, I think she's good all around. Winter, summer, spring, or fall, whatever. I think she's a good work wig. I think she's a good everyday wig. I think it's gonna last and hold up because of the length, but she's gonna frizz up on you, so it's synthetic. Keep that in mind. I did have to customize this wig just a tad bit and kind of frame it a little bit to my face, but I don't feel like it was anything that was bad. But overall, I think she's a winner. I think she's super cute. This wig is in the $50 range, but like I told y'all last week, if you buy some of these wigs on a weekend, you can get some discounts on certain sites. So buy the wig wherever you like. Either way, I like her. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Drop me some comments down below. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.
Feeling that I never felt before. And I deserve it, it's becoming something that's